I'm out here getting compost with my husband. We have the trailer, as you can see. And I'm just going to turn you around and let you watch the process. So this is Pine View Nursery, and it's just the neatest little nursery here in Leitchfield, Kentucky. And if you're ever in the area, if you're from the other part of the state or something, or you're just passing through Kentucky and you pass through this area, please come and check them out. There's just tons of neat little things and stuff I can normally not find and in other places like the big box stores, but it's so cute and it's so comfortable and they have it decorated so well. I just love it. So let me get back over here. We are getting 3 scoops. And they're good sized scoops, so should be perfect for my garden beds. I'll take you in some of the greenhouses as soon as we get this loaded. Nice scoop. Look at that. That's a great scoop. He's off the way. That's great. Wow, just look at how nice this is. Cactuses. And it's double layered, right? Plastic.
It is, yeah. Right now it's not blowing up. But...
yeah. Wow, this is beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, look at the little succulents. Oh, they're just beautiful. Look at these. Yeah, if you want some succulents, look at these. I mean, they're just incredible. So cute and full of detail. Oh, it's just beautiful. Yeah, so make sure if you're in the area or even if you want to take a day trip or something, come over and see what they have. It's just incredible. Okay, we're in another one of the greenhouses, and she's showing me a plant that blooms in the winter.
It's called Helleboris or Lenten Rose.
Hold it. Lenten Rose. How neat.
This is the same. Some of this stuff will be coming out in
Yeah.
the summer, spring. We just have to store it in here. But here's another crop with it.
Oh wow, these are beautiful. Look at these flowers on here. They're actually blooming. Let's see if I can get one lifted up so you can. They have this little droopy bloom. Just beautiful. How awesome. Oh, and they have another one. Look at it. They're dark purple. Oh, I've got to buy some of these.
And then after the bloom stop, then the foliage will keep growing. And this is evergreen, so it'll stay.
Wow.
Stay like that all all summer.
Yeah.
Spring,
And these will
summer.
bloom in Kentucky outside.
Usually between January and May.
Oh
They'll
wow.
get the bloom.
Oh, that's awesome.
And there's a white one.
Oh, and they're, oh, look at these. These are just incredible. White ones. She just had. Oh, and what's that?
It's called
Oh, it smells like
it's called a gold finch.
called a what?
A gold finch. And then I can't say that word.
Goldfinch. Yeah. Okay. This smells almost like a what's that? Huh?
Honeysuckle.
Honeysuckle or like an orchid. Yeah.
It smells good all over.
It's
I
just
love coming here and
beautiful.
smelling.
Beautiful, beautiful. Oh, wow. Anyway, I better get back over to my husband. Yeah, look at it. Just incredible. So, yes, I'll be back to get some of those. So let's get this compost home and get it unloaded. We're having to take the fence down because the tractor won't fit in here. Check it out. I'm having him fill them super full because that way, I mean, you can see when I push down, it just sinks. So it's really nice. Look at that. This is nice dark soil. Wind's blown up my landscape fabric, so I got to get it back down before storms come in this weekend and just really blow it up.
Years ago we made a change. Go off grid, it was all the rage. Sold it all and left it behind and bought some land of another kind. No running water, no electricity. Extremely hard work testing our capacity. A couple of rams, a donkey, a goat, 100 chickens and ducks. to keep us afloat. One of the first to convert a shed into a house where we would bed. We lived to survive for nearly 2 years, but it was just so hard. There were many tears. We happened across a beautiful farm, 12.5 acres. He didn't have to twist my arm. Then it was off, we had a new dream. Better a farm with a pond, a beautiful scene, with more sheep, dogs and cats, a cow and some goats, fancy that. We were real farmers from another time. Another time when dreams meant hard work. Another time when duties were never shirked. The dream then became fencing, gardens to save, building a structure way down in a cave. A cabin in a cave, you see. Another time for you and me. Another time for you and me. One of the first to convert a shed into a house where we would bed. We lived to survive for nearly 2 years, but it was just so hard. There were many tears. We happened across a beautiful farm, 12.5 acres. He didn't have to twist my arm. Then it was off. We had a new.
I'm so excited to get this because I haven't been able to plant anything until I could get some dirt.
Full scene, more sheep, dogs and cats, a cow and some goats, fancy that. We were real farmers from another time when dreams meant hard work, another time when duties were never sure. Dream then became fencing, gardens to save, building structures.
Look at these pups. They're just dying to get over here. Beds are filled. How awesome is that?
One other
Wow.
time.